Hello students, in previous video we have seen vector product of two vectors and examples on exercise 5.4. Today we go through some another examples on exercise 5.4.
See the example. If a bar dot b bar is equal to root 3 and a bar cross b bar is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, find the angle between a bar and b bar. In this example given that the dot product and cross product is given and find out the angle between a bar and b bar, that is theta is find out. Solution. Let theta be the angle between a bar and b bar, given that a bar cross b bar is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap and magnitude of a bar cross b bar is under root component of I square, that is 2 square, plus component of j square, that is 1 square, and component of k square, that is again 2 square, which is equal to root of 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1, again 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, that is under root 9, under root 9 is 3. This is magnitude of a bar cross b bar, but the magnitude of a bar cross b bar is the magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar sin theta is equal to 3. This is say equation number 1. Also given that a bar dot b bar is equal to root 3 by definition of dot product, magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar cos theta is equal to under root 3. This is say equation number 2. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2, we get equation 1 is magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar into sin theta divided by magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar cos theta, which is equal to RHS is 3, second here root 3. Magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar gets cancelled. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 3 upon root 3 is root 3. And tan of which angle is root 3 is tan 60 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. The angle between vectors a bar and b bar, that is theta is equal to 60 degree. Example paha. Find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are a bar is equal to 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap and b bar is equal to I cap minus 3j cap minus 3k cap. इथं फाइंड आउट काय करायचं आहे तर एरिया ऑफ पॅरलेलोग्राम फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. त्यासाठी 2 ॲडजस्टंट साइड्स दॅट इज वेक्टर्स ए बार अँड बी बार आर गिवन and find out the area of parallelogram, that is magnitude of a bar cross b bar is find out. Okay. Solution. Given that a bar is equal to 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap and b bar is equal to I cap minus 3 j cap minus 3 k cap. Then the cross product a bar cross b bar is equal to the determinant I cap, j cap, k cap, a bar 2 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 3 minus 3. Expand this determinant I cap in bracket minus 3 into minus 2 minus minus plus 6, 3 into 2 6 minus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 and this minus, that is plus, minus j cap in bracket 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 1 into 1 1 plus k cap in bracket minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 minus minus plus 2, which is equal to 6 plus 3 9 I cap minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 into minus, that is plus 7 j cap minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 k cap. This is a bar cross b bar. Then magnitude of a bar cross b bar is under root component of I square, that is 9 square, plus component of j square, that is 7 square, plus component of k square, that is minus 4 square, which is equal to 9 square is 81, 7 square is 49, plus 4 square is 16. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16, 2 6 8 14, 146. Therefore, magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equal to under root 146. Then area of the parallelogram, therefore area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are a bar and b bar is magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equal to under root 146 and unit is square units. Area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are a bar and b bar is magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equal to under root 146 square units. See the example. Find the direction ratios of a vector perpendicular to the two lines whose direction ratios are minus 2, 1, minus 1 and minus 3, minus 4, 1. See the solution. Let a bar and b bar be the vectors along the lines whose direction ratios are minus 2, 1, minus 1 and minus 3, minus 4, 1 respectively. Then a bar is equal to minus 2 I cap plus j cap minus k cap and b bar is equal to minus 3 I cap minus 4 j cap plus k cap. A bar is equal to minus 2 I cap plus j cap minus k cap, and B bar is equal to minus 3 I cap minus 4 j cap plus k cap. Cross product A bar cross B bar is equal to the determinant I cap j cap k cap minus 2 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 1. Expand the determinant. A bar cross B bar is equal to I cap in bracket 1 into 1 1 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 plus minus 4 minus j cap in bracket 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus minus 3 plus k cap in bracket minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus plus 3, which is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3 I cap minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 into minus, that is plus 5 j cap 8 plus 3 11 k cap. This is the A bar cross B bar. Hence the required direction ratios, are minus 3, 5, 11. See the example. If A in bracket 1, 2, 3 and B in bracket 4, 5, 6 are 2 points, then find the foot of the perpendicular from the point B to the line joining the origin and the point A. Solution. For given data, M is foot of the perpendicular from the point B to the line joining points origin and the point A, that is OA. Coordinates of A are 1, 2, 3. Coordinates of B are 4, 5, 6. That is, here find out the coordinates of M. Let M be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from point B to line joining points O and A. Let the coordinates of M is x, y, z. OM has direction ratios are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. That is, x2 is here x minus x1, that is coordinates of O is origin, that is 0, 0, 0, x minus 0, y2 minus y1, that is y minus 0, z2 minus z1, that is z minus 0, which is equal to x, y, z. Direction ratios of OM are x, y, z. Then OA has direction ratios are OA. This O origin 0, 0, 0 and 1, 2, 3. This 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0 is equal to 1, 2, 3. OA has direction ratios are 1, 2, 3. But OMA are collinear. But OMA are collinear. Therefore, OMA are collinear. Therefore, x upon 1 is equal to y upon 2 is equal to z upon 3, which is equal to k. Therefore, x is equal to 1 into k is k, y is equal to 2k and z is equal to 3k. Therefore, the coordinates of M are x, y, z, but here x, y, z are k, 2k and 3k. Then BM has direction ratios are BM. B is 4, 5, 6, M is K2, K, 2K and 3K. It is 4, K minus 4, 2K minus 5, 3K minus 6. BM has direction ratios are K minus 4, 2K minus 5, 3K minus 6. But BM is perpendicular to OA, but BM is perpendicular to OA. Therefore, BM is perpendicular to OA. Therefore, A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 is equal to 0. BM is perpendicular to OA. It is A1 is equal to OA is 1. 1 in bracket K minus 4 plus A2 B2, that is 2 in bracket 2K minus 5 plus C1 C2. 3 in bracket 3K minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, multiplication 1 into K minus 4 is K minus 4 plus 2 into 2 4K plus minus minus 5 into 2 10 plus 3 into 3 9K plus minus minus 3 into 6 18 equal to 0. Therefore, K plus 4K 5K 5K plus 9K 14K minus 4 minus 10 minus 14 minus 18 minus 32 is equal to 0. Therefore, 14K is equal to 32. Therefore, K is equal to 32 divided by 14, which is equal to 2 into 7 14, 2 into 1 2, remaining 6, that is 2 into 6 12, that is 16 by 7. K is equal to 16 by 7. Therefore, the coordinates of M are K, 2K and 3K, that is first 16 by 7, 32 by 7 and 48 by 7. And M is foot of the perpendicular.